Oh, I was recording and then I wasn't. There it is. Now I'm recording again. Now I'm recording. Do something. Just so you know, I can't get videos. You said what? I can't get video. That means we'll have to put it on YouTube. Or you just use my phone. Because I already have YouTube on there. That means I have to take your phone out and then find the camera and then put it on record and then record all over again. Forget it. Just forget it. Just like that. Just like that. Don't look so sad. I'm whacked out of my mind right now.
I'm just gonna play that spot that we're doing, okay?
Don't be nervous. It's not that bad. Yeah, it's going all the way through there.
It's gonna go through that hard thing.
It's gonna go all the way through here.
Cartilage.
Cartilage. You said cartilage. Cartilage. Cartilage.
Cartilage.
Cartilage.
Cartilage. Oh my god, is she doing it?
No, she's not doing it.
Oh, I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm just marking. Tell me when you do it so I can bite on something.
Wait, not my hand.
My gum.
It's like don't tense up.
Alright, I'm gonna put a clamp on. I'm gonna act like a box. You're gonna feel pressure from this, okay?
Holding my hand for support. It's just a clamp.
That's the clamp.
Okay, you're gonna feel some pressure. There's the
I'm
needle.
gonna place the needle, and then I'm gonna concentrate and push. Just do it quick. Please do not move. That's all I ask. Okay. One, two. This part's just tricky, getting the needle around your ear.
Oh yeah, no. See, now he had to actually fight with me to do that. I didn't cry or scream, but almost. You could squeeze my hand. Ooh.
I just have to get the screw on the ball, okay?
See, you're done. All she has to do is put the balls on. Don't make fun of me. Shut up. You okay? You did it. Shut up. Now your balls in your ear.
Oh yeah, balls.
Such a freak.
Balls.
Balls.
Balls. Mongolia.
We're gonna talk about balls in my ear.
We done. Yeah, I just have to clean it up. Get a little bit of blood that's on there.
Oh yeah, mine's. I think this nose really bleed.
Pretty well.
That's not too bad. See, you did it. You have balls on your ear.
Oh, great. So excited. Get this